Artificially intelligent systems.
We have all heard the buzzword AI get thrown around a lot in recent years. Some say it is the wave of the future. Some are scared. And in this new age of ever-developing technology, it is important that we prepare ourselves for the technologies of the future. But what is AI and how can we best define it? In the most basic of terms, artificial intelligence is defined as any artificial system that performs tasks under varying and unpredictable circumstances without significant human oversight, that can learn from experience and improve performance when exposed to data sets.
It's basically whatever that a human do. So if the machine is doing that, then this is AI, artificial intelligence.
But not all AI is created equal. There are three main types of artificial intelligence: ANI, AGI, and ASI. ANI, artificial narrow intelligence, is the most pressing concern for today. Seen everywhere from advertising to the military to even self-driving cars, ANI is on the cutting edge of computer systems with its ability to automate complex tasks like sorting images, winning at Jeopardy, or even playing the ancient game of Go. However, not all that glitters is gold. Widespread use of AI comes with some very serious legal, economic, and privacy concerns. There are a number of very valid reasons for the regulation of artificial intelligence. One of the most feared is that AI left unregulated will continue to take away jobs from hardworking Americans.
The adoption of artificial intelligence and electronic trading can disrupt the job market and displace for traders, but technologies also create a need for more workers in other fields.
Everyone is trying to get rid of the middleman because they're trying to save on their, they're trying to create the efficiency. So I think jobs like accountants, real estate agents, secretaries, whatever middleman you think of, it's going to go away.
But not only does AI have the potential to make a big impact on the job market, it has major ramifications in the international defense sphere.
The 2018 National Defense Strategy outlines 8 key capability areas that require modernization in order for our military to maintain or regain our warfighting advantage. And one of those areas is the advancement of autonomous and artificially intelligent systems.
While the U.S. does have sophisticated weaponry in terms of automatic weapons and weaponized drones, we are beginning to lag behind the other major world powers in the emerging field of weaponized AI.
So I think if you looked at the number of researchers and PhDs who are graduating in this field, China has an advantage. If you look at the number of citations and patents coming from the field, I think the US is doing better.
Another reason unchecked AI is unappealing is because of a phenomenon that we have just started to notice: human biases being transferred onto computer algorithms. After all, AI is programmed by humans, and studies have shown that unconscious biases are making their way into search results and reinforcing echo chamber biases.
And why would an AI system be biased? Well, because most AI systems are trained using data provided by humans, and we know that humans are biased.
Certainly the range of AI uses right now that are currently discriminatory is most, if not all, right? I think your default assumption looking at artificial intelligence systems is that there is bias in the system.
This is already being seen in search engine algorithms, which are trained to show users the most popular results. This results in AI algorithms learning and making assumptions based on our stereotypes and biases, because it calculates those are the best ones that will attract the most clicks. Contrary to popular belief, AI is already here. ANI is being used in everything from search engines to medical breakthroughs to self-driving cars to traffic lights.
So if you're the Department of Transportation and you're trying to regulate autonomous vehicles, if you're FAA trying to regulate drones, if you're the FDA trying to regulate AI-powered medical diagnostics, these are all agencies, and just think very carefully about the implications of artificial intelligence in the domains that they're overseeing.
In the last half of 2019, the FDA approved the first ever AI-based device for medical diagnostics to detect diabetic retinopathy, the leading cause of blindness among working-age Americans. According to a policy report put out by the White House Office of Science and Technology, AI-enabled smarter traffic management applications are reducing wait times, energy use, and emissions in some cities by as much as 25%.
One thing that's an absolute benefit is like closed captioning, right? Closed captioning has been a terrible horrifying. You know, like it's just, have you ever tried turning it on? Sometimes it's totally unusable on anything live. That's probably going to be overwhelmingly, dramatically improved. It'll be cheaper and much, much better.
Some say that it will be impossible to regulate AI at all. Given that we are having enough trouble regulating activities online already, why do we think AI will be any different?
I think there is a growing consensus, and one that I certainly share, about moving from a totally lackadaisical approach, hands-off approach, to a little more guidance, a little more setting of rules, possibly some stricter legislation.
AI is a revolutionary new technology that has nearly unlimited potential. We must be very careful how we use this technology and make sure our regulations allow for the maximum amount of freedom while still making sure that we can keep this new technology under control. So I'm asking you this, candidates in 2020. What are you going to do about AI?